This is the car, man. This should be the last video I film on my iPhone for the homies that do watch me. I apologize if the quality isn't the best. Every time I upload on my phone, YouTube doesn't do me any favors with upload quality. That fucking carbon. Then I want to do the carbon duckbill trunk and some octagon tail lights. I love the FD2 Type R look it has. I love it. I'm more on the fence of like the wingless look. And I thought about it and I was like, let me get some rev clips, whatever. Oh. This happened the other day at work. What the fuck, bro? So we had to meet. Gonna go down with my boy. Fuck. Bro, this Type R is clean. Hey, bro, this shit's clean, bro. Yeah. Damn, bro, can't wait to get my bike. Bro, that's sick. God damn. Oh shit. Damn. My fuse box. What's going on over here, bro? That's weird. This is that Type R.